Hey guys, Devmitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. So, guys, what about my session? What do you think about my session? Is it helpful or not? Kindly comment in my description box and give me that confidence that my sessions are helping you. Okay, so guys, right now I'm going to talk about what are the things you don't need to do whenever you are working in an organization that things can ruin your career. So as all of you know that my career awareness series are going on, that's why right now I'm going to talk about it. So let's get started, guys. The first thing you need to understand that constantly showing up late is one of the reason to lose the job. Okay, I am on my way is probably the greatest lie ever to be crafted by humanity. Okay, it is rude enough to do this to a friend, but to do this at work is fatal. Okay, if you do this constantly and have stopped caring, okay, what other people say and how it may affect the quality of your work and your relationships with colleagues, you are ruining your career. Coming to work meetings and other functions late is simply disrespectful. Second one is making too many excuses. That even legit excuses have their tipping points. So you can only make so many excuses. Always having an excuse for everything wins your credibility and will make your co-workers think that they don't work with you, they can't trust you to do things right or deliver on time. Some employees spend so much time thinking about an excuse when they really should be focusing on ways to ensure everything is done correctly. Okay, engaging in the blame game. At work you have to deal with many people and departments to get things done. Some customer service professionals sometimes need to work with sales and operations. It in it, if the job ends up a disaster, it is very convenient to blame it on other people, but it that going to help. Not only will blaming others leave the problem undersolved, engaging in the blame game also makes you look unprofessional and unable to take on more responsibility. The next one is putting others down. It happens very frequently in every sector, included IT sector also. So guys, let it be clear that when you put others down, you don't pull yourself up. Okay, so for example, a call center agent gets promoted or gets an increase and you flash the biggest congratulatory smile to the person, but secretly tell everyone how undeserving she is. Not only do you come off as pathetic and bitter, you also appear unworthy of your co-workers' trust. Gossip is a very unhealthy activity, and pretty soon you will feel all of your co-workers gossiping about you. Okay, so multitasking but not getting anything done. There is a huge difference between working hard and working smart. When you try to do everything all at once, the risk is that you end up accomplishing nothing or turning in work that isn't your best work possible. Okay, spreading yourself too thin will leave you more vulnerable to making mistakes. So instead of multitasking, focus on the most important task and work your way down. So being too personal for work, taking occasional personal calls or ordering online to buy your spouse a birthday gift is acceptable, but when your personal life interferes with your work so often that you can barely distinguish work emails from personal ones, you appear disinterested or disengaged. Okay, moving too often. So this is your third job in 6 months. Okay, maybe you are just testing the waters and still figuring things out, and that's totally fine. You all have to cut ourselves some slack. Okay, but how long do you intend to figure this out? It is hard to find your career path when you move too much. Chances are that you will miss out on the long term impact of your work, and your growth will be limited. Employers might also think that you lack commitment, especially if you hope across different industries. So stop hoping. Okay, talking yourself up but not delivering. Do not make promises you can't keep. Never overpromise and underdeliver. Not only will you end up discouraging your employers and co-workers, you will also come off as inefficient and unreliable. For example, if you desire to be successful in your career, do not take multiple shifts, accounts, or workload if you can't handle it. Going overboard with social, even if you are a social media specialist at work, you must still learn how to detach your virtual life from your official job function. Do not let hours of web surfing and online chatting get out of hand. Before you know it, you have watched too many videos on YouTube and have accomplished nothing on you long to-do list. As you engage with your virtual friends, you disengage yourself from the workplace. Telling lies instead of owning up. Honesty is a value that fundamental in any work environment. This shows that you can be trusted, but when you make a mistake and lie instead of owning up to it, your credibility and trustworthiness are compromised. Remember, cover ups only make things worse. So you might not be aware of it, but you are actually ruining your career by doing these 10 things. Okay, you may think that having the right skills and abilities is enough, but remember that getting a job and keeping it require character and hard work. So guys, never do these 10 things, okay, because it makes you look bad in a company. It makes a bad impression. Okay, so always try to be honest in with your work. If you really need leave for any reason, kindly communicate with your seniors and give them proper reason and tell them the truth. If the don't make excuses like I'm on the way, I'm coming, I will focus on my work after day after tomorrow. Taking too much leave or making that excuses can bring a very bad situation, adverse situation in your career. So don't do it. Always focus on your work, give your best, and try to be the best person in your organization and prove yourself. And don't be messed up. Don't tangle yourself with the office politics. It is also needed to know, because sometimes we don't even understand what is going on our back, and we always try to cope up with the situation, but sometimes we don't even feel that there is no fault of us. Okay, so don't tangle your focus in all those things. Don't shift your focus in all these things. Always focus on your work and on your productivity, and try to prove yourself. If there is someone who is doing it, let them do it. Because after, if you have that capability, if you have that credibility to prove yourself and to sustain in your organization, it you will sustain your organization. So don't be afraid of anything. Always work properly, focus on your work, give your best. And in PCS Global, we are providing the training in so many technologies like Java full stack development, like Salesforce. Salesforce is a very market demanding technology. If you wanted to learn Salesforce, kindly communicate with us. Whatever you wanted to know Salesforce, I have already talked about in my videos. You can check out my videos. And always focus on the things, that practical hands-on experience, the practical knowledge. And PCS Global, we are providing the training in hands-on projects, we are providing the training. And you can work with us in our live projects, our on-job trainings, our CELP projects are going on. So you can join our CELP projects. Our free internship and paid internship programs are also going on. And in PCS Global, we are providing the training in Monstack development. So you can, it's a live session. After having the training, you can get a certificate from our side. If you wanted to go through all those technical videos, you can see our YouTube channel. In our YouTube channel only you can get that knowledge about the technologies. And if you wanted to solve your problems personally, if you wanted to onboard yourself and to see yourself in as PCS Global's employee, kindly uh, communicate with us and get that proper knowledge. In PCS Global, we always provide the best thing for you. And in PCS Global, more than 1500 plus associates are working, has been worked with us, and right now they are working in another MNCs. And they are more than 1400 people are already working with us in our various projects. So there are several projects we have in our hands. If you wanted to start over again, if you're a job seeker, if you are a fresher, if you don't get any support from your college, or if you don't get any job from your campus interview, it doesn't matter. Because if you have that potential, you will get that job. And PCS Global, in PCS Global, we always provide that opportunity to you guys. So always communicate with us, get the best, and be a part of our journey. So this is for now, guys. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below whatever information you need. You can communicate with me. My number is going on in the description box. Okay, you can call me and I will provide you whatever knowledge you need. Our HR persons are there to help you. You can call them also. From them also you can get the proper schedule of the courses, and what are the timings, what are the timings of the trainings, and what are the mode of the training. You can know about all those things. And our webinars and master classes are very effective to evaluate yourself. You can join that master classes also. So this is for now, guys. Kindly stay safe, stay healthy, always try to be happy, and always make others happy. So this is for now. Have a very good day. Bye.